Heal the world, make it better place for you and for me in the universe. Yo. Hey, Jado Fils, way. Yo, bro, what's up, Jado? Jado, mezevite. Yeah, guteke yo acapella Batman, Jonathan, wagwan brother. We gonna work good abagamba kuba Anderson, what's up? When you get a chip balanga pussy wunya. Ooh, yo, Brighton. What's up, Brighton Scott Myth? Yo, Kenya Ejihozo, bad girl. I really love you. Yo, bad girl, I love you too, man. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming early. Yo, kabatesi Jeanette, ndakunda cyane nawe. Place, yo. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. Yeah. Starboy Gaddafi. Yo, Starboy Gaddafi, the offer is real, bro, but you have to hurry up before the promotion is over. You have to come in this week, you know. Every December, give people. Exactly. Yeah. One CDUG. Woyo embuzi baji. Obuzibu bwava ku kilalo. Embuzi sagisangamo. Oh no. Embuzi sagisangamo. Neta. Embuzi teyaliyo. Yeah. Najinonya muri sonda. Elabika yadiwa. Oh no. Yeah, man. Bad man. A real bad man. I don't know where ndagusuriza yawe kabisa ndamusuza fe. Yeah, Wagwan bloody. Yo, Soldier Boy original SSD from South Sudan. Wagwan Soldier Boy. Soldier Boy I want me. Oh. Yo, Yannick, what's promo? Okay, Yannick, promo is this December always I give my people, like my artists, my musicians, and they're like people that I promote, like I produce music for, because I'm a producer too, yeah. So every December I have this promotion, like I give offer to them. You pay as usual your account of the money, counted like amount of money that you pay usually. Then I give you 2 songs. Let me say if you're paying like $1,000, that's an example, right? Then I give you 2 songs. You understand? Because like as usual, amafaranga wishura yewishyura indirimbo imwe mu ebyiri. If you pay 1 song, I give you 2. This December, all Decembers I do that all the time. Madingo, wagwan me brother, how you doing, man? Talk to me. When you talk to me like that. Okay. If possible, I come on 20th. Okay, Starboy Gaddafi. It is possible if you book. You understand it? Yeah, if you book, like you book for your time for the 20th December, yeah, no problem. But if you don't book, it can keep on changing. Sinduka TV umezute semsaza mezemneza man wagwan. Yo, Saikabul official, one of the baddest, hardest models in the world. Saikabul, man. What's up, my nigga fashionista? He asking, bro, when are we releasing our song? Please, you guys, you've been busy, man. I've been seeing you making moves. Let me know when you're ready. You can release it no matter what it takes. Yeah. Where are you, cute boy? Yo, Chinya Jihozo bad girl. Yeah, man. Man, that's how it is, man. I don't know, man. I really like your vibe. Madingo, thank you very much. I never be the same again. It's the same, my brother. Jado Fils, I never be the same again. Niande is for who? Yo, Gringo Richard. What's up? You're welcome, Gringo. I'm trying to read. It's not that you can't do that. Oh my God, bro, your song La 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 is the realest vibe, bro. Keep it up. Yo, Starboy Gaddafi, man. Thank you very much, my nigga. A real bad man, Musi. You are going to tell me, so God. Yo. But it's okay. Yo, igihozo wanje. Ngo ngwichi simeze fresh. ngiye ariko ntukajye ugira isoni kuri live, ni live. Your notification utuye in Uganda, bro. A real bad man, a real bad man, a real bad man. I'm a down in a shirt. Straight cheese, get that foot bird. DJ CC, yo, what's up, my DJ? How you doing? Versace from South Sudan. Jesus Christ, my people from South Sudan, man, I love you, man. Love you, my people. This December we'll have exclusive concerts. Yeah. Okay, nabuze ndagarutse. Asa telefone ko no yambanye ntoya abantu cyangwa ni ibitoki byibushye byatari. Yo, Tricks, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? The king of ideas. Yes, mvuga Ikinyarwanda, bro. Yo, Rick on Lines, what's up, bro? Yo, start with Gaddafi. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you. Jagala, yeah, baby girl. Jagala, abalala tuwachawe, akunyiza, jagala mulawe. Omukwano ndese mujiguyika, gama bami da dente zawe nazirese. Bami gaguyika, self-service, ofuna gokumala. We're serving it, we're setting it, we're tuning it, we're feeling it. Let me take you far away to a place you've never seen, place you've never been, and I'll put the ring on it. Okay, let's keep on moving. Have you heard that one? If you're full of Jana, Oh my god, nyinshi. Oh my god, ndabuze. No, ndabuze. Ndarindagiye. Ani ngo sigiki kumva ntacyo tu. Iminwa ngira ngo yanjye n'umutuku kwaje. Ko nabuze ariko man, nabuze byatari. Okay, twagiye. Yo, Versace, one love, my guy. You're really helping our artists in many ways, man. Keep it up. The good work, bro. Thank you very much. Big up, one love from South Kigali City. One love from Uganda. Straight up to Nairobi, Kenya, Tanzania, motherfucking Dar es Salaam. Yeah, plus many countries, yo, dude. Want to collabo, bro? Of course, go inbox me, then we can talk about that. It's a business. Your daddy TV view. What's up, man? How you doing? We sigiki kumunwa ariko mukabyera munwa none baje. Bavuye mu kwa baje kujya mu kono. Ariko mana wenda pfuye. Bro, sorry about how many languages do you put in la la la. Okay, la la la, actually la 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 it is like la la la, the language is only two, Luganda and English. Wafukaza sake kwa tulisaladu topowa energy kwangu tutakalimi body smooth yeah level kwa nonyeza karulu. You understand, eh? It's in English and Luganda only. Anthony too, South Sudan. What's up, my brother Anthony? What's up? You're Reeksln. CVA celebrity. Yeah, that is TV view, man. I know Luganda. Yeah, I know Luganda very well. It's one of my languages that I know how to speak better than. Anyway, bavuye mu kwa wajya kukanwa. Ntago nabakiri. Celeb. My nigga. Okay. Yo, dude. How many kids do you have? We got 5 children. 2 baby mother. Me a real bad man. Yo, hey, serious your uncle. Start with Gaddafi, my brother. Man, thank you very much. I respect you. Man, I have to buy maybe a new phone because this one is becoming very small. I don't know how to stretch this shit. Okay, I'll pull up there next week though. Yo, you're welcome, brother. You're welcome home, man. You know where we started from? So I keep on moving. Where's my liquor? All right, I got it. Yo, Daddy TV view. Ugamba chi mwendi baba cheba chechilo jeba leko baba. Ali steady. Yeah. Official Zeno. You Zeno. Wow, my brother, how you doing, man? Real bad man. That Anthony, man, there are two baby. The same way you see Anthony too. Anthony second. Them two baby mother. Come here, real bad man. Man, we don't know that fool. Yeah, with that. Hey, I was contract with the Sumirananga. Wow, I never knew. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, now I know this. Wow, this is beautiful thing. Okay. Yeah, this is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. I like it. Hey, Reeksln, it's your big fan, Biza, and Dakwemira Jindani and La is the biggest vibe. I love it. Yo, Biza, Wagwan, Biza Gorana. Hey, Biza, Biza Gorana, Kokushtaman. Away, Biza Gorana, Ulale, wow. Uja Ftizina. Biza Gorana, Eke Hivizoroha. AKA Imvune. Bombo clad. Yo. What the fuck, Nature? What's up, Ski? How you doing, my brother, Nature? Yo, Angel. I love you too, baby girl. What's up? Yeah. Daddy TV. Obulamu bulungi muganda wange. Just kupambana ngawo bimanyi. Yeah. Yo, dude. I have a lot of tattoos, man. They're like 91 tattoos. I don't remember very well. Yeah. Rutikanga Germain, hell, heaven. Rutikanga Germain, hoya ntago nyina nagira ikibazo na Yago. Ngiye nta muntu ujya ngira ikibazo nawe. Abone bafitanye ibibazo nanjye Yago se ura Yago ni grand frère. Abagira ikibazo na Yago bamukoze nabi baramukoshonye. Niko abantu bamera this. Ako araza kumera fresh. Big up to big energy. Jeremy twe turaba big energy for life mu maraso no ubuzima. Turi positive na kutagire imari bazo n'abantu. Abantu nta bibazo dufitanye nabo mwana. Niwe wabifitanye nawe. Wowe wagira ikibazo cy'isi ukagira ikibazo cy'abantu ntabwo bishoboka. Ntabwo bihura. Iyo bibazemo usanga ari kwivuna. Kirezi Berize we shanambe umfite sha mbe yamvuyemo. Chef Dieudonné, big energy, energy ni ijya kuri Google Dieudonné, chef Dieudonné. Ijya kuri Google mbona sino kuyandika neza ubaze icyo energy bisobanuye. Batabagusubiza byahita bikorera sana. Ubwo butiko babugukure ubwo butiko babugukure ntabwo mbyumvishe. Thank you bro. Utikanga Jeremy kabisa man. Big up brother. Big energy for life man. Ngo ni mwiza 66 ngo dufitanye ikibazo cyangwa no ugiye nabo tugifitanye ahubwo ugifite ukimfiteho ubunshyire mu biro ntazi uramba barirema mbiswada Daddy TV view mwana ndi wamaye sinyo mwana byakubatisa mwana gabo bimanyi gaze cyagubara wewe unahitamo jya cyurire. Yo patombo wa broski oli bichi mwana nze mwendi steady blood mwendi gumite awatali kupowa ngao bimanyi. Yo chikingi ariko ndakunda mushene sana kuna cha kingi baba shobye dore ndi kumvamo ibintu by'ibibaraga umenya nta mikino mugi ni ibintu by'ibibaraga. Shobye dore taje chabana junde kabanzu ndeka kwaza kabanze nimere okanyanga ndagusubiza. Excuse me, please. Guys, orange kweli. Lily, babarira basi. Lily ya something nakuneza kwisoma. Baensomeni. Bakunsubiriza. Yago twaramubuze bambi mu Rwanda kandi yafashaga abantu benshi mu Rwanda. Hari abantu bamukeneye mu Rwanda. Byiringiro Aime kabisa arakenewe pe, ni imfura cyane. Ikirezi Berize kurangwa nangize kuririmba ubungu ngira ngo aracyari ako se nyuma rava muri dushara muwe yago aracyari. Oh, barangire sigarayo. You stay there, I'll call you when the right time comes in. Izagora, biggest love you Kush Bizagora, to the oldest, to the fullest, my brother. Icon Shebe shit. What the fuck is that? Accent and your five blood. Wait, Labayo. Ganda mu inbox usindikire message ngenda kwakusindikira ngana kababa no live bish. Istegere. Umuhoza Martina, I really love you Kush. Oh, Umuhoza Martina, I love you too, man. I love you so, man. I love you so. I love you so. No. Man, I love you so. Chef de zuba bakuza nyine uru bigenaje birizana. Umva babyatakaye photo nabyitegura. My link solution. Oh wow, that's a beautiful. Okay, my God. Ndabuze nano ariko nago sound ndakunda pe. Yo Sandrina ugisha nanjye ndakunda cyane we. Sandrina Mugisha wagan baba mfa mbadde sisubira kwogera Oluganda. Wallahi nze njogera Oluganda. Gwe manya nime zenjogera gwe. Ndagala ogende ku channel yangu labe nyimba zenjimba. Nyimbe nimi nga munana muganda wange. Kirezi Berize areze no hazaza tugomba kumu training rero. Nimbaraga nyinshi sana. You can thank them for the support and invite them to join your fan club by sending heart. Exactly, Bambi. That's a beautiful thing. How do I do that? Oh, Mukisa Evelyn, thank you very much. Thank you. Hello. Icon. Shebish is a South African artist. You look more like him. Okay, Shebishit. Wow, Shebishit. I would like to see Shebishit. Let me take a screenshot. Then I'm gonna check on Shebishit later. Look. Hey. Jump there. I love you, Coach. Big up, my brother. Yo, Jump there. What's up, man? My brother, thank you very much, man. Yeah. Umusaza ni ulale mama chef Diodone. Okujiye chiribwa got scared. Oh my God, this is crazy, man. This is fucking crazy. Big energy muri hari ko seko ntawumva abantu. Abana bafite icyo bita energy mureba. Kazo daily tips VIP access. Now going to bisobanuye. I don't know what it means. Where do you reside, buddy? Yeah, Alan Wealthy, man. I'm in Makindye right now in Kampala. Retired the map from big